What's going on YouTube? I'm gonna be doing a different type of video today. It's gonna be a tutorial on the update that happened an hour ago for me. They added this new height feature which you can find in gameplay. You can switch to standing or seating play. I prefer seating actually now. It's a little bit like VR chat if you've played it, where you can almost sit down and be shorter or taller, whatever you wish. So if I want to be taller, it'll push me up, and if I want to stand up, it'll push me back down to my normal height. Now when you log in, you will find this type of screen where you'll want to measure your height. If I put my arms out straight, should measure somewhat accurate to what I am. So yeah, it says 5'7" here around my height. But yeah, so they also added this brand new gadget. It's found under CV2 gadgets. It's called the full body costume dummy. And it's basically just full body in Rec Room. The way to access it, you have to edit a certain part or certain parts of the costume. Alright, so now we finished making this somewhat accurate body. Yeah, you just have to wear the outfit and it's pretty much... I kinda like it. If Rec Room added feet or arms, it'd work pretty well. I mean, I just made this really quickly. But yeah, you can make more advanced things with this. Probably some weird stuff. I don't know what else you can do with this, but... yeah, this is basically just tutorial how to access it, how to add everything together. But yeah, all you need to do is edit each body part that you want to. You can edit 3 parts of the waist, I think, or 3 parts of the body. Yeah, you get the bottom, the middle, and the top half. You can even add a neck. You get 3 on the arm, or both arms, and then 3 on both legs, and then the head. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I did make a Minecraft Steve, but it kind of failed. I don't know really. It kind of looks funky when you slide though. If you are on the standing play, yeah, I'm on it, or seating play even, and you slide, it's kind of like, it's a little weird. Especially in full body. But yeah, that's pretty much everything. Thanks for watching. Make sure to sub if you aren't already. and I'll see you guys later.